Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and join the family because you'll like it here. So guys, today's video we're going to be talking about my locks. I am having a crisis with my locks and I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what's causing it. I'm not sure if even what to do, but yeah, I'm just letting you guys know, maybe you guys can help me. I am experiencing some thinning within my locks. And when I say thinning, I'm not meaning like it's thinning out from the roots. I mean like towards the middle or like the ends of my locks. Like I will have a lock that's just like really thick, and then it's a part of the lock that gets really thin, and then at the end it gets really thick again. And I'm not sure what's causing that. I had that happen to quite a few of my locks. I'm gonna say probably about like 8 or 9 of my locks. During my last retie, I actually had a piece of my lock snap off when I was doing the retie. It completely caught me off guard, but it was towards the middle of the lock where it had gotten super duper thin. And when I went and did the last rotation of my retie, that end that was really weak, it completely snapped off, and I had about maybe 2 inches of lock that had just broken off. I have some locks where they were combined because they were too small, but it's still doing that. Like the base of it will be really thick and strong, and towards the end it's like really skinny, and then at the very end it gets really big, and I'm not sure what's causing that. I haven't had any particular styles in my hair. Most of the time I wear my hair down. I don't, do too much to it. I usually just let it be. So I'm not sure what's causing it to do that. I was thinking that it could be part of my postpartum because I am 7 months postpartum and I wasn't experiencing any shedding or anything with my locks, but now I'm starting to notice the thinning at the ends. I'm not sure if that is related or correlated at all, but at this point, I'm just not sure what to think. Now, as far as the solution goes, I was thinking about going through my locks and finding the ones that are having that problem and just taking some scissors and just cutting it right at that weak point, so I don't have to worry about it snapping off on me. But I really don't want to do that, but I'm not sure if there's any other thing that I can do. Probably besides putting like some kinky hair and trying to instant lock it in, giving that thinner piece a stronger foundation or a stronger base. I'm not sure, but I don't know. I have to figure something out because it's becoming a problem. But like I said, it's not all of my locks. The great majority of my locks are in great condition, long, healthy, just they're doing their thing. But it's those 10 or so that I've been having an issue with. Okay, so I did my research to see, has anybody else experienced this problem, but I haven't quite found it to be like me. I've seen some people have straggly ends in their locks due to dyeing or bleaching their hair. I haven't dyed or bleached my hair, so that can't be the cause of it. And then I see other people who have thinning at their roots, and once again, I'm not having any thinning at my roots. It's at my ends or towards the middle of my locks, so I'm not sure. So have any of you dealt with this particular issue? If you have, please let me know, and how you fixed it or how you got it to stop. Just let me know, because at this point I'm lost and I'm not sure what to do. Yeah, so let me show you a couple of those locks. So we have this lock right here. As you can see, it's like thick, thin, and then it has that big end right there. Like this part is completely like weak and thin. You can almost see through it. And then we have this one here. This one was actually 2 locks. This one was actually 2 locks that I combined. So it gets thick right here, and then it's super thin. And then you have this end right here that's just like holding on by a thread, like it's barely hanging on. That one I might actually just end up cutting because I don't see that one being saved. But it's probably about like a few more like that throughout my head, and I'm not sure what's the cause of it. So if you guys have any answers for me or any help for me, please let me know down below. Be sure to give this video a like and be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will catch you guys in my next video.